Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to Mane Addicts YouTube channel.
What the hell is Mane Addicts? So what Mane Addicts really is a digital source to give you access to the most amazing things in hair with celebrities and influencers and stylists and hair care brands. We are the hub for all things hair. I really was passionate about building a community. There was nothing that was like a playground for hairstylists, salon stylists, editorial stylists, runway stylists, students to really like get together. And I also wanted to expose the newest in hair care, wet lines and extensions and scissors and tools and brushes, all of it. Our Mane Addicts editorial platform consists of trend forecasting, backstage interviews, red carpet breakdowns. You get product recommendations, city salon guides, celebrity and influencer features, and expert how-to videos. We've had so many amazing Mane Muse features. I am obsessed with our Zendaya feature, Yara Shahidi, we had Maddie Ziegler, Sabrina Carpenter, Cam Dallas, the list goes on and on. I feel like the most important thing for a stylist, whether you're a new stylist or you're a seasoned stylist, is education. And one of the reasons I wanted to create Mane Addicts is I hated that after hair school, you just stopped learning. We are here to help you guys get your master's degree in hair. So our tutorials at Mane Addicts are going to be taught by experts in hair coloring, extensionists, hairstylists, both editorial and salon stylists. You need to learn how to manage your social media account. I want people to learn about how to build your own brand. I want people to learn about basically all the things that they do not tell you in hair school. We're going to tell you. So our Mane University classes were such a huge success. We've been all over the globe with like the top stylists and colorists. We've gone to Dubai, to London, to New York, Chicago, Miami, LA, Australia, Hawaii. We've been all over the globe, and we're so excited to now be able to connect with you guys on like a more intense level and give you the best videos. So guys, Mane Addicts is hair for you. We are going to be showing you guys how to wear your hair at different occasions. We're going to be showing you product reviews, breakdowns on tools, extensions, wigs, all of it. So now's your chance to weigh in on what you want to see, so make sure that you leave a comment and any suggestions in our comment section below.